Good day, brothers and sisters in Christ. We are on our video number 5 on this series on the sacraments of Christian initiation, specifically on the Eucharist. And on this video number 5, we are going to reflect a bit on the symbolism of bread and wine. Of course, we have said in the other videos that when we receive Jesus in the Eucharist, it is not that we are receiving just bread or just wine and then just make believe that it is Jesus's body and blood. No, no. We really believe that what we receive is Jesus's body and Jesus's blood, the blood of Christ, the blood of Jesus Christ, and then of course the body of Jesus Christ. Of course, we receive what we call the glorious body, no, of of Christ. And however, on another level, deepening on this situation of Christ giving Himself to us and we receiving Him, we can say that we, like bread, are experiencing this opportunity to offer our life to Him, to God, to Jesus Christ. So we know that bread is made up of wheat. And of course, before wheat can become bread, it has to be processed. And of course, if the grains of wheat could just speak, they might say, "Ouch!" or they might say, "Wow, we are undergoing this. Um, we are being ground. We are being processed." No, so and it is also the same with the grapes, which become wine. So the grapes are really undergoing a painful process, so to speak. And what does this have to do with us? In our life, sometimes we can undergo processes which are difficult, or maybe during the day we foresee a difficult schedule, or maybe in our life we experience what we call pains and sufferings. No? It is very uh, merciful of God to be able to let us perceive that we can become like bread, we can become like wine. How, Father? In the sense that when we are broken, the more we can understand other people who are broken. The more we are broken, the greater we are able to empathize, to feel with, to reach out to other people, especially the sick, especially the suffering, especially the abandoned, especially those whom society considers throwaway people. And the same thing goes with the wine. Why? It is important for us to note that, of course, like wine, people become more valuable as time goes by because we are on our way, hopefully, towards maturity. And of course, like wine, it requires time in order for wine to age. And that is also in our life. Well, I'm not referring to the physical age, no, but I'm referring to how we are growing in our faith, because this is a lifetime challenge for us, a lifetime calling to be like bread, to be like wine. Why do I tell you this? Because it is a help, it is a possible help for us to really internalize, to really realize that we receive the Eucharist for something, because we are not receiving the Eucharist just because we receive it. What do I mean? It means that when we receive the Eucharist for something, because we are also called to share this gift to others, to share our experience of Christ to others, our experience of being broken, of being shared, of being processed, so to speak, like bread, like wine, like grains of wheat, like grapes. So it is a very important fact for us to meditate on how wheat becomes bread, how grapes become wine, and how we can also turn our pain into something of a blessing. God bless us all.